If you guys are interested in seeing how you can make a lantern that looks like this, then stay tuned. In Canva, you're going to go to create a design and you're going to do custom size. Height, you're going to do 4.7. For the width, you're going to do 2.4. Just keep in mind, if you size your lantern to be bigger, then you just have to adjust your sizing that way. So I'm just going to put in Halloween because for this one, we're going to do a Halloween one. And I want to get things that look like this. Okay, so this one looks like you can adjust the size. So as you can see, you have these extra lines here, so that's how you know that you can adjust the size. All right. So like I said, I'm doing this so that I'm able to see where I need to cut the paper out so the sizing is correct. So that looks good. I'm just gonna take this and I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it to each one of these pages. Alright, so now they all have a border, so I know where to cut. So then I'm gonna go to share again, download, and then I'm just gonna do PNG and I'm gonna download all the pages. So here are my smaller size panels right here. So again, I'm gonna name these inserts, and I'm gonna grab all my images, format picture, or you can go over here. Let's see, you can go to size and position. You can go here or over here, but depending on what you're using, it might look different to you. So I'm just going to make sure, in general, you just want to make sure you get everything to the size that it needs to be. Then the other thing I want to do is to be able to move it around on this page. I am going to do, where is it? Inline, top, bottom, through, behind text. There we go. That way I can move this wherever I want. And so I'm going to get the rest of the images. Insert them all on one page. You can organize them how you want, and if you want to try to squeeze more on here, if you're going to make different designs for like different holidays, you can do that too, but we're just going to do this one for demonstration. So I'm just going to go ahead and print this page out. This is how it should basically look for your paper lantern that you're going to make. So we're just going to go ahead and cut this out. I shouldn't say paper lantern. This is the template for your lantern that you're going to be using. So you'll get this file and also the directions on the sizing and the materials that you can use once you purchase the file on the link that you'll see down in my description. And so let's go cut this out. So you want to get some scissors or a paper trimmer to cut out your design that you printed on the paper. And then I'm using some glue that is repositional. That way I have some wiggle room when I'm putting the paper, or I'm saying gluing the paper onto the different panels. So if I need to move it around and stuff, this glue would be perfect for that. So right now you see I am putting the glue around the border, and then I am going to take each sheet of paper that I cut out with a design on it, and I'm going to attach it that way. And then I'm just going to smooth the paper onto the border that I placed that repositional glue on. So the sizing should be good. If you need to resize it, then just play around with the sizing. But if you're using it based off of the design sizing that I have in xTool Creative Space, then it should fit perfect. So right now I'm just showing you guys how it looks after I glued each panel together. These ones are the bigger panels at the bottom. And then I'm showing you that I'm going to glue also those smaller pieces. So now I'm showing you also the smaller pieces after I finish gluing them with the repositional glue. So now I'm showing you that I'm going to use glue all to basically glue all the pieces of this lantern together. So right now you see I'm just going to place the glue on all of the edges of the panels, and then I'm going to connect them that way. So as you can see, I put the 3 pieces on. I'm showing you here that you want to line up the holes so that the door goes on correctly. So I'm placing glue at the top part now so that I can put that top panel on as well as the door at the same time. Alright, so I'm getting that front panel. I'm showing you guys where you need to line up your door with these circles on the top and the bottom. And so I glued it together. I'm just making sure all the pieces are lining up good. And then I'm just kind of trying to show you guys, like, this is what it looks like so far after it's all been glued together. The different panels for the bottom. And now I'm showing you guys how I'm going to attach the top piece. So I'm adding some glue to that top piece before I insert the smaller panels on top of the lantern. So I'm just making sure I'm getting glue all over the place. And then I'm just going to line it up so all of those spaces line up together. And then again, I am going to put glue on all of the edges of each one of the panels. And these ones are really small. And then you see I put all 4 panels together. And now I am gluing together that top piece to where you can pick it up. And it's all done. So this is what it looks like. Check the link down in the description if you want to buy this file. Thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Take care. Stay blessed.